pleased to announce that I've done the first couple basic tutorials on my Arduino board, so I'm very thrilled to have completed those basic tasks on that. Alright, a blinking LED. Finally managed to get a set of LEDs to go off in series. It's another little basic tutorial part. So far today I've managed to complete my experimentation with motor programming, and I cannot wait to have this all working with my 3D printed stuff. I'll be going to the makerspace later today to take care of that. There, that's slightly less horrible. And it loads, stand by, and it goes open door, and voila! That is how you enter a makerspace. Howdy! So let's do this. Good news is I have all the G-code files prepped because I had so many failed prints. There's the piece right there. Let's position it away. And then let's load main doom 2. Perfect. And let's change our printing temperature. I'm hoping that this is the last of the 3D printer issues. With this new filament size, I shouldn't have any more issues. I really hope I don't. You see how all those pieces fit together. This is just simply the very tip top of the dome head. This is a box for mounting any electronics or stuff on the inside. These make the very bottom of the head. So these actually build onto that to form the next layer. These are kind of all the parts I've made so far, and believe me, there's plenty more on the way. I have plenty as for works cited. All right. I've learned all kinds of interesting things working with those printers at the Amherst Makerspace because they are vastly different than the one we have here.
Can I ask you a question? What is this?
It's for the rolling set of LEDs. That is also a SketchUp of the Arduino board. It's just in a different format. It's in more of an electrical diagram format. So like, for instance, these are the actual LEDs.
Yeah. I'm not trying to, it just seems like the longer we go with, like, I'm not seeing notes from anybody. This is a research project based on, and you're coming up with an applied piece based on research that you found. So me as a member of this panel, I just need to say, I'm not seeing notes.
I think he's going to need our help when it comes time to make the presentation, to keep it, number one, to the 20 to 25, but to also get the information out without having it be up here. Start to look at that, because I think that's going to be tough for you to make it work.
Is the presentation?
To get it into that 20 to 25, so that you can say everything that you want to say without deviating, without...
You have to know how to end it.
I'm very happy. All things are going well on the side of school. I am extremely agitated that the printer is having this level of difficulty. For whatever reason, it just gets to a point and it just eats into the filament and stops extruding through. I don't know why. I've had multiple prints fail, and at this rate, with where I'm running in terms of time, I'm gonna have to be doing 3 prints per batch. This is one of the failures I had recently. Here's some of the other failures. This is one that got a little further on before it had issues. I guess stay tuned till next time. It's going to be really interesting. This is starting to get really spooky because I'm running up against a time deadline, but I really intend to have this done May 4th. Star Wars Day or bust. Alrighty. See you guys later. So I'm very thrilled with what's gone on this week. This week I got my new 3mm filament, and I now have a print that is running that is using that filament. So I'm very thrilled to have that working now.